Depending on whether you have oily, dry, combination or acne-prone skin, different DIY face masks provide different benefits to target your needs. Here we'll share the best and easiest DIY face mask for every skin type. For dry skin, the best ingredients are oatmeal, milk and honey. Oatmeal helps hydrate, moisturize and nourish dry skin. Honey and milk have hydrating properties as well. All three ingredients paired together work best for dry skin type. This is how you prepare a DIY mask for dry skin. For oily skin, it is best to use egg white and papaya. Egg whites are excellent for oily skin as they dry out the skin and help to minimize pores, while papaya helps reduce oiliness. This is the method of making an egg white and papaya mask. Acne-prone skin. Tomato and cucumber mask is perfect for acne-prone skin. Both tomatoes and cucumbers prevent acne and tighten pores, which help reduce breakouts. This is how you make a DIY mask for acne-prone skin. Combination skin. The mixture of yogurt, turmeric and honey promotes healthy and glowing skin, which is an ideal mask for combination skin type. This is how you prepare a DIY mask for combination skin.